Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Samsung washer ND error code in 2026. So before hopping on to its solutions, we need to first of all understand why this ND error is actually occurring. So the ND error stands for no drain. So it means that your washer tried to remove the water, but it cannot empty the drum within the required time. So the issue is almost always in the drain path or the pump flow. So before checking anything, you just have to remove the water inside the drum. For that, you can use the emergency drain hose or you can manually empty it. So this makes further inspection very easier and it will also prevent spills. After doing so, you just have to simply open the lower front panel and locate the drain filter. Remove it slowly and clean out the lint buildup, the small objects or fabric debris. Even partial blockage can trigger this ND error. Now you need to inspect the drain hose at the back and make sure that it is not kinked or not clogged inside. Also, you can also check the height placement. If it is too high, the water may not drain properly. After that, you just have to run a drain cycle and then listen to it. You should hear a steady humming sound. If you hear nothing or any kind of unusual noise, it means that the pump may be blocked or failing. If your washer connects to a sink drain, just make sure that the pipe is not clogged, because a blocked drain can stop the water from exiting completely. Now, if the washer still doesn't drain, you can also perform a quick reset. So in the reset, you just have to simply press and hold the start button or the power button and then wait for about 10 to 20 seconds. And after that, you just have to simply release it and this is going to reset or restart your washer. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.